Hey, Dad, can you teach me how to make your chili tonight?
Samantha Cantwell, one of these days I'm going to teach you this here recipe so you can get you a trophy just like this from Madison County Chili Cook-Off King.
Why can't you just teach me tonight?
Get your ass to the store and get me some smokes.
Daddy!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm making chili, and I've got it this time. My dad's chili. It's a coriander.
Why the kids are coming over. They're going to show us how to order vegan food and rides from their telephone.
But they're going to want chili.
Oh, I don't know. That must be them. Hey,
Dad.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. So glad you could make
Good
it.
to see you.
What's that smell?
Where's Mom?
I'm here. Babies, come in here now. Come in here. I've got it this time. Come here, Carrie. I've got it this time. No, really, I've got it. Sarah, come on. I need you to put these on. Come in.
Mom, no.
Come on.
Okay, Mom.
All
Okay.
right, come on. First, I've got it, because I've got it this time. I've got the secret ingredient. It's coriander. Okay, cut those onions, baby. Come on. Because I've got it this time. Carrie, look. It's coriander. It's a secret. It's just like Dad's. Look, wait. Okay, go on. Come on. Cut those onions. We gotta get going. All right. It's gonna be just like it, Carrie. It's gonna be
You and I
just
need
like
to talk.
it. Just like Dad's.
So, chili again, huh, Dad?
Well, you know your mother. Still trying to recreate your grandfather's award-winning chili recipe.
Oh, I know. I see all the metal she's got strung out all over the stove over there. She never even won an award for that chili. That was Grandpa Sam who won that award.
That's true, but he was the first to ever put canned ham in a chili recipe. That was a big deal.
I don't even like canned ham. I don't even eat meat anymore. It's 2019. We're vegan now.
I understand.
I'm vegan. Sarah's vegan. I think it's time, Dad.
Time for what?
I think we need an intervention.
Intervention?
Yeah.
Huh.
All right, who is ready? Because I've got it this time.
Mom.
What? You want to be first?
Mom, please.
Come on.
Drop the ladle.
Wow, what's going on?
Look, Mom, we love you, but we have some things we have to get off our chests.
All right.
Your chili's terrible. We're vegan now, okay? I don't want your canned ham. I never liked your canned ham to begin with. It's 2019. We eat kale. We eat tofu. We don't eat that canned ham.
What about you? What do you think?
Well, they are vegan. They don't eat meat. And it probably is a healthier way to eat. I think maybe we should give it a try.
I gotta go to bed.
Sammy, you back from the store yet with my smokes?
Yeah?
All right, get your ass in here.
What?
It's your lucky day. I'm gonna show you this here recipe.
Groovy.
Get you a spoon. Grab a spoonful of Spam. There you go. Don't be stingy. Very good. Grab some cheese whiz.